Hi guys, Nemo Dane here. Today's video, on this episode, we're going to be doing creating a patch. This is in the documents. I'll put a link down below if you need to follow along. But basically we're just going to follow these steps and get our patch up and running. So I'm going to move that over here out of the way. We need to run the patch system create patch. So let's go down in our patch system, create patch, and we're going to run this. And it's going to look for two folders. Remember, we made a folder system earlier where we're storing the from version and the to version. So simply we just have to find those folders. So from version. Alright, there's the from version. Remember, we're choosing the top directory, so you wouldn't go down here and choose this one. This would say Windows no editor, so we're choosing the one above it. Choose the second folder, to version, and basically what it's going to compare those and then create us a patch in there. So we're just going to hit the create patch button, and basically that's steps 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to have to wait for that to calculate. While that's running, I'll just pause the video real quick and we'll be right back. Alright, that's done. It has created our patch. Let's go down there and look. It's in the second folder that you put it in. There it is, our patch, and another patch folder. The document says rename the resulting file, and it gives an example, but it looks like it has done it for us. Remember, ours was 1 and it did it for us, so that's all good to go. Open the archive and rename the topmost folder. I believe we don't need it. Looks good there. What I'm going to have to do now is we're going to have to add this to our patch information and then upload that to the file. So just go to your FileZilla or whatever FTP you're using to connect. We're going to connect to your hosting site. As you can see, I already have the first version up there, and then what we'll do is we need to find our current version. It's packages, to version. Alright, there's our patch. Alright, let's upload that. Alright, that's going to take a little bit. Let's pause the video while that's going on. Alright, that's finished. We now have the patch version up on the FTP. What we need to do next is we need to update our target version file. So let's just reduce that real quick. So in our patching system folder where we do all our work, let's go to target version. Let's open that. Now remember, we just changed it, and it says, let's see, make sure I do it right. Alright, we're going to add the patching information. So it was 1.0 to 1.1, and then on the second line, available, or I'm sorry, target version. Here's our target version. This is what we're targeting. So that was 1.1, available patches, and the full game that we have available up right now is 1.0, and of course the last one is the launcher. So we'll save that. We need to upload that to the server. So we need to find our patch system. Alrighty. Looks good like that. It says run the launcher and make sure everything has been on the up and up. So let's close that down. We're going to run, this is my custom launcher. We can close that down. Alright, here we go. Oh, you know what? I think I got that in the wrong folder. Yeah, we got it. We got to edit the launcher data because we need to tell it. Alright, current version is 1. Download patch. Hold on, let me read the documents. Alright, I figured it out. I moved the target version over here so we can work with it. You wouldn't ship that with your launcher. That would stay out of it. But I'm going to put it here for ease of use. When we edited that, I put an extra 0, and it should say 1 to 1.1. That's something to do with naming. So we have our target version 1.1. That's the patch. Available patches are 1 to 1.1. So make sure that I had to just say that. So watch your naming issue and our full game. And then it downloaded the patch. The patch came down. It updated the patch. Told me it was updated. Let's go in here and look at our folder. Make sure the patch is there because I don't have a server to test it. And content. MFO. And character. Yep, there's our human character. Alright, there's our patch. Everything's there. Alright, that works good. Next thing we want to look at is skipping patches. So every so often you want to make a big build, and then because you don't want to have to, like later on, have to download 50 patches for a new game. So let's take a look at our 2 version. So with our 2 version, remember we had built a patch off this. So what we're going to do is take this and we're going to archive it. We have to archive it just like we did the original one version. We'll need to archive this. So we're going to archive this. Now remember, this is going to say game underscore 1.1. Let me check that and make sure. Yep, archive. So on the server, FTP server, we have the first version. This is the full version, and it was 1, and this is the patch 1 to 1.1. Now we need to get the full version up there, and then that patch would actually become obsolete, but this would be working between cycles. We're testing it right now. Alright, while that's compressing, I'll pause the video. Alright, we've uploaded our next full version. As you can see, we had the original, that's the patch, I'm sorry, the original game, which was just version 1. Here it is, sorry. And then we've uploaded the next full version of the game. We're going to be bypassing a patch. We're following the skipping patches section. So we've archived it, we've uploaded that, and then we need to replace the available full game. So if you look here, available full game is line 4 right there. So I've changed that to that and uploaded that. And once that's done, we're supposed to test it and see. So where is my launcher? So let's go to the launcher and launch. Game is up to date. There we go. Alright. So we've excuse me, we successfully have completed creating a patch and skipping a patch. Essentially, after so many patches, you're going to just upload a full version on your site. So this is going to get pretty full up, so just remember what's going on here. And the next section that talks about is updating the launcher. I want to do some work on the launcher before they do this. I want to see about what can be done to change some of the stuff about it, but we'll be doing that in another version. And that's going to wrap it up here for creating a patch and skipping a patch. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. This is Nemo Day. Thanks for watching. Bye.